Hello YouTube. Today I am going to show you how to quickly and easily remove duplicates from a list in Excel. So you can see here I have this list with names and departments and shifts and whatnot. There are some duplicates on this list. There are some unique entries on this list. And I want to get rid of the duplicates. So I want to show you two things to look out for right here. First is there are rows where every single cell is duplicated, right? Like here, I have the same value in every single cell of these two rows. Then we have some rows where we have the same value in every single cell except one. So I'm going to show you how to find and remove both types of duplicates in this because you do them pretty much the same way. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this range of cells. I'm going to go over here on my data menu up here. I'm going to go over here to the data tools section and I'm going to click on this remove duplicates button. There we go. That's going to bring up this box. So you can see I've got my data has headers selected. I want to because my first row here has column names. It's got a header row, so I want to keep that checked. Then you can see my columns that I have. Right now, every single column is selected, so it's going to look for duplicates in every single column. So if there are any unique values here, it's not going to remove that row. It's only going to remove rows where every single value is unique, is the same. So I'm going to say okay. There we go. Gives me a quick count of what it removed. And here we go. So you can see my duplicate Amy Adams is gone, but my duplicate Amy Goodman is still here because, as we saw, these values are different. So if I wanted to remove only by name, for example, I want to get rid of one of these. So I want to get rid of this second one. It will remove the second entry. Make sure you're aware of that. It's going to remove the second entry and sort your list accordingly. So on this one, I'm going to select my range again. I'm going to go back up to remove duplicates. And this time, I'm going to unselect these. So this time, it's only going to look for duplicate values in the first name and the last name. And if I tell it OK, remove two duplicate values, and you can see I only have my one Amy Goodman left. And that's it. I hope that was helpful.